Now, meanwhile, taking strong stand against Union Home Minister's direction to allow free movement in the state, Village Volunteers Eastern Zone VVF has reiterated free movement in Kuki-Zo inhabited areas will not be allowed until their demand for separate administration is fulfilled. In a video release, VVF said that the sufferings of Kuki people cannot be brushed aside under the pretense of peaceful marches. They added that those who have inflicted sufferings on Kuki-Zo people will not be allowed free passage into their areas, while highlighting that their demand for separate administration is not just a political aspiration, but a necessity for their survival, security, and dignity. They also urged the concerned authorities to take note of the grievances and demands of Kuki-Zo people. Village Volunteers Eastern Zone also warned that any individual or organization attempting to reconcile with their adversary through government before the government establish a method of separate administration or union territory will face severe consequences, and that any attempt to enter Kuki-Zo areas will be met with strong resistance.
There will be no free movement in Kuki-Zo areas before the establishment of separate administration or union territory with a legislature for the Kuki-Zo people. The relentless injustice, inhuman atrocities, and systematic oppression committed against our people cannot be ignored or brushed aside under the pretense of peaceful marches. Those who have inflicted sufferings on the Kuki-Zo people, those who have taken innocent lives, and those who continue to deny our fundamental rights will not be allowed free passage into our lands. Our demand and separate administration is not just a political aspiration, but a necessity for our survival, security, and dignity.